Welcome. In this video we'll explore platinum metal, its uses, why demand is rising and what the future holds. Platinum is a precious metal known for its chemical stability, high melting point, and resistance to corrosion. These unique traits make it invaluable in several industries. First, let's talk uses. One of the largest applications is in automotive catalytic converters. Platinum helps convert harmful gases like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides into less toxic emissions. With stricter emission regulations worldwide, platinum remains critical for cleaner transportation. Platinum is also a luxury metal in the jewelry market, prized for its purity and durability. Its rarity and visual appeal maintain strong demand among consumers. In industrial chemistry, platinum acts as a catalyst for processes like nitric acid production and fuel cells. Its catalytic properties enable efficient chemical reactions at high temperatures. Plus, platinum plays a role in electronics and medical devices, from hard disk drives to pacemakers, due to reliability and biocompatibility. So, what about demand? Global demand is influenced by auto emission standards, growth in jewelry markets, and clean energy technologies. Currently, demand is steady, but evolving with emerging technologies. Looking ahead, the future scope of platinum looks promising. Fuel cells, especially hydrogen fuel cells, use platinum catalysts. As the world shifts toward clean energy and hydrogen-powered transport, platinum's role could expand significantly. In summary, platinum's unique properties power critical applications in clean tech, industry, jewelry, and electronics. With global sustainability goals and advanced technologies, platinum's demand and future relevance are likely to grow.
Thanks for watching.